let's transform a landscape into a fantasy dream environment. Begin by adjusting the sky using Select Sky and applying fantastical colors, violet, cyan, or deep magenta. Then, shift ground colors using Color Balance to create a surreal world. Add glowing particles using a soft round brush at low flow. Create floating rocks or light streaks by cutting shapes from other images and adding motion blur. Add light rays by painting long triangular shapes with soft edges and lowering opacity. Finish with a color lookup like futuristic bleak or candlelight to unify mood. The result is a magical, otherworldly scene perfect for